All right, let's dive in. Today, we're going to cut right through all the hype surrounding AI. I want you to forget the sci-fi for a minute. We're going to look at how artificial intelligence is actually being used by businesses to get real, tangible results right here, right now.
So let me ask you a question. When I say artificial intelligence, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Is it some super smart robot from a movie? Maybe a self-driving car zipping through a city of the future? For most of us, that term conjures up these really big, almost fantastical images.
But here's the reality check. For businesses operating today, AI isn't about building a robot sidekick. It's really about one thing: getting practical, measurable results. It has become a tool that is already reshaping how companies work from the ground up.
To really get a handle on its impact, we need to think about AI a little differently. I want you to picture it less as a single thing and more as an intelligent operations layer. Almost like a powerful digital brain that sits at the very heart of a business, seeing and processing everything.
And listen, this isn't just some theory for the future. The research is really clear on this. AI has graduated from the experimental lab. It's now a fundamental piece of the modern business toolkit. It's become a core operational capability.
So what exactly is this intelligent layer? Well, imagine a system that can see and understand everything that's happening in a business, all at once. It's taking in these huge streams of data, from machines on a factory floor, from trucks in the supply chain, from customer feedback, and its job is to make sense of it all. It finds the hidden patterns, and, this is the crucial part, it predicts what's likely to happen next. So here's a breakdown of how it actually works. Step 1 is ingest. The AI is just drinking from a fire hose of data. It could be structured, like neat spreadsheets, or unstructured, like messy emails and social media posts. Then, in step 2, it processes all of that, connecting the dots between these totally different sources. Step 3, well, this is where the magic starts. It identifies critical patterns that a human analyst might never see. And finally, step 4, it uses those patterns to predict what's on the horizon, maybe a potential supply shortage or a big spike in customer demand.
Okay, so we've got a handle on what it is and how it works, but so what? Why does this actually matter? What's the real payoff here? This brings us to the core strategic advantages of AI, which we can break down into 4 key dimensions of value.
That's the number 4. The value here isn't just one thing. AI delivers a major competitive edge across 4 very distinct and very powerful dimensions. And really, understanding these is the key to understanding its strategic power. So let's break them down.
This chart lays it out perfectly. First, we have speed. We're talking about accelerating decisions that used to take weeks, now down to seconds. Next up is cost efficiency. AI can optimize processes to cut waste and bring down operational costs. Then we have quality improvement. By spotting tiny errors humans might miss, AI seriously boosts precision. And finally, agility, which is this crucial ability for a business to adapt to sudden market changes and disruptions.
Now, when you put all 4 of those dimensions together, something pretty incredible starts to happen. It doesn't just make the old way of doing things a little bit better, it actually creates a completely new way. It transforms a business's entire strategy from being reactive to becoming predictive.
And this comparison just says it all, doesn't it? The old way, the reactive way, was all about responding to problems after they already happened. You were constantly putting out fires. Your decisions were based on what happened last month or last year. The AI way is a whole different ballgame. It's about anticipating challenges before they happen. It's making decisions based on where the data predicts you are going, not just where you've been. It's about fire prevention, not firefighting.
So if there's one big takeaway here, it's this: AI effectively gives businesses a crystal ball that's powered by data. It fundamentally shifts the entire goal from cleaning up yesterday's messes to strategically grabbing tomorrow's opportunities.
And that brings us to our final thought. The very same principles we've just talked about are being used right now to predict the future of incredibly complex global supply chains. But this technology isn't going to stop there. So the question I want to leave you with is, what part of your world, your job, your industry, your daily life, what part of it is next?